Introducing Easyflex water heater connectors. Hi everyone, I'm Frank with Easyflex, and in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to our water heater connectors. Our extensive lineup of water heater connectors come with a wide range of connection types, sizes, and lengths to accommodate almost any job. Easyflex water heater connectors are made of corrosion-resistant 304 stainless steel and have annular corrugations for superior flexibility while maintaining its durability and strength. They're available with 3 different connection types: threaded, sweat, and push fit. And they come in different sizes and lengths. This one is an FIP by FIP model. This is the same thing, FIP by FIP, but with a push fit ball valve included. The ball valve is removable should you not need it. This one is FIP by MIP. Next we have FIP by sweat. This FIP by FIP model is covered with a stainless steel braided mesh. This one is a push fit model. This part simply pushes into the existing tube without the need for tools. Next, we have an FIP by PEX model, PEX type B tubing. This part connects to an existing PEX tube. This one is FIP by PEX type A cold expansion tubing. This one is FIP by FIP, but made of copper, not stainless steel. And finally, we have FIP by sweat in copper. Easyflex water heater connectors are perfect for boilers, water softeners, water heaters, and tankless water heaters. Fully certified and factory leak tested, our water connectors can be relied on for superior performance and reliability for a long and worry-free life. I hope this video has been helpful in learning about our huge category of water heater connectors. Links for each item are in the video description below, and for product details, please visit our website, easyflexusa.com. If you still have any questions, our support line is open. And for more Easyflex videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.